let's jump right into our case study here, talk about Partners Healthcare and the Mass General Hospital. So we engaged with the radiology department, the imaging department at Mass General in Boston, Mass, to basically do a proof of concept on Microsoft technology. They're very invested in Microsoft SQL Server. They've got a number of different databases in place, ranging from eClinical to MEDITECH to IDX RAD, a number of different systems, number of homegrown systems. And what they wanted to do was create a series of dashboards for the radiology department. And what they created was a convention that they referred to as STEEP. So as you can see along the left-hand side, you've got safe, timely, effective, efficient, equitable, and patient-centered. And this acronym really referred to the different metrics that they cared about across those different letters, those different areas. So under safety, they measured hand hygiene, UPA, critical test results. Under timeliness, they measured radiology throughput, exam length, exam delay, etc. And all of these metrics came from various systems in their organization. And what I won't show you today is the below the surface type activity that took place, the development of the data warehouse, the development of the STAR schema, the ETL for extracting data from these various systems on a regular basis. There's quite a bit of lifting there that really helped to produce the front end. But I think the front end is the most compelling, and in terms of taking back information to your organization, I think this is probably the best thing to show. So very quickly, they have this, they call it the same page, sort of clever in terms of getting everyone on the same page. And as you can see, the various columns, you've got the period for which this information was run, the goal, the status against the goal, including an indicator, the unit of measurement, as well as the trend. And so that trend is really relevant to how did this particular metric do against its last period. So in this particular case versus last month, in this particular case versus last week. So I have already mentioned that they've broken them out into a series of acronyms that they can understand, and then within each acronym, they have a number of metrics that help to measure that particular area. And this is all interactive, so at a high level, someone can come to this and they can see, oh, we're mostly green, that's great. But if I drill into a particular metric, what does that yield me?